So kids, today we are going to start chapter number 3, factors and multiples. We had discussed this topic in grade 4 as well, where I've told you these numbers are called factors and this is called multiple. Means if I take two numbers 7 and 4, 7 multiplied by 4, 28. So 7 and 4 will be known as factors of 28 and 28 called as multiple of 7 and 4. But before starting this topic, let us revise the topic that is known as divisibility rule, which is more important to understand before starting this topic. So let's start that topic first. Why we need divisibility rule? Well, divisibility rule of whole numbers are very useful because they help us to quickly determine if a number can be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11 without doing long division. Let us start this topic with divisibility by 2. Let us go through the rules. So rule says if a number ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, so we can say that that number is divisible by 2. Like, let's take this example. These example I'm taking from your exercise 3.1, so it will be easier for you to understand the question well, right? So example A, 2204. Let's check the last digit. Last digit is 4. That means this number ends in 4. Yes, so 4 is there, correct? So we can say that without doing long division. Directly, just by looking at it, we can say yes, this number is divisible by 2. Let's take one more example. I have taken C part of exercise 3.1. 5631. Let's check the last digit. Last digit is 1. But according to the rule, the digit in the ones place means last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Here I'm having 1. So, no, this number is not divisible by 2. C. You can also say that a number is divisible if its last digit is even, because these are even or 0, right? You can write it even numbers, even digits. Next is divisibility by 3. So rule is saying that sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 3. राइट मीन्स जो नंबर आपको गिवन है उनका जो सम है मीन्स डिजिट का सम है वो डिविजिबल होना चाहिए बाय 3. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. सो हियर आई हैव टेकन बी पार्ट, थर्ड क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 3.1 एंड this is 4750. Let's add the digits first. 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0. What will be the answer? 16. But 16 is not divisible by 3. Means 16 तो 3 के टेबल में आता ही नहीं है. So we can say that no, this number is not divisible by 3. Let's take one more example. 1903. Firstly, add these digits. I've added here, I got 21, and yes, 21 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 5. The digit in the ones place should be 5 or 0. Means last digit ones place पे means last digit या पे 5 होना चाहिए या फिर 0. Let's take this example. Let's just check the ones place digit. That means last digit 5. Yeah, if it is 5 or 0, so we can say yes, this number is divisible by 3. Let's take this example. Let's check the last digit. It's 2, but we need 5 or 0. So we can say no, this number is not divisible. Next is divisibility by 9. So the sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 9. It's similar to 3, right? 3 के जैसा ही है. For example, I've taken 44,286. Firstly, add these digits. I added here, I got 24 as an answer. But 24 is not completely divisible by 9, right? 9 के टेबल में 24 नहीं आता है. Answer is no, right? Let's take one more example. I have taken 3,258. Firstly, add these digits. I got 18. 18 comes in the table of 9, right? So its answer is yes. Now, divisibility by 10. The digits in the ones place means last digit should be 0. Yes, agar last digit 0 hai, then only we can say that this number is divisible by 10. Let's take one example. I've taken this number 7,23,850. Just check the digit at the ones place. That means last digit. Yes, it's a 0. Yay! That means yes, this number is divisible by 10. Let's take one more example. 7,236. Check the last digit, 6. Yes, it should be 0 only. So we can say that no, this number, whole number is not divisible by 10. Next, divisibility by 11. The difference of the sum of the alternate digits of a number should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, I'll make it more clear. इसका मतलब ये है जो difference होता है alternate digits का, या तो it should be 0 या फिर कोई ऐसा number होना चाहिए that should be multiple of 11, means that number should be completely divisible by 11. Let's take one example. I have taken 63,052. Alternate digits means leave one digit, then go for the next, then leave one digit, go for the next. Like, I'll tell you how. 6, 3, next digit, go for the next, 0. And then leave 5, 2. So I got 6 plus 0 plus 2. Addition is 8. Now leftover digits, 3 and 5 were left, add these two. 8. मीन्स आपको एक एक डिजिट छोड़कर ऐड करना है. आई गोट 8, 8, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So we can say that this number is completely divisible by 11. Means if I'm going to divide this number by 11, I will not be getting any remainder. Let's take one more example. 24,576. So alternate digits. First 2, second 5. We will not count this 4. Next 6, because next 7 we will not count. So हम 6 count करेंगे. 6. So its sum is 13. Now next go for these digits. 4 plus 7. I got 11. Now difference. That means we have to subtract 13 and 11. 13 minus 11. I got 2, but 2 is not a multiple of 11. It should be either 0 or multiple of 11. So we can say this number is not divisible by 11. So answer is no.